Hey guys, it's John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire. Just want to thank you for stopping by the channel. And if you're new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it so you'll be notified every time I post. Today is simple, today is quick. I have some leftover chuck rolls from a cook that I done previously, and we're gonna make some tacos at it. So stick around, let's get it. All right, so this cook should go pretty quick. We're just gonna start by getting a little oil down on the surface here. Get our shells down. We'll start getting some meat down. Get these closed up. So you saw the cook. It was quick, simple, and ready to go. I'm eating this with my family, so there will be no taste test tonight. But I want to thank you guys for stopping by Salt, Pepper, and Fire again. Please like this video, leave a comment, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, we'll see you guys.